Hi, welcome to my channel, and I'm so happy to see you. And today I'm going to talk about 3 serums that I have been trying out lately, and these are from this brand Overdermis. They have vitamin A, B, and C serums, and one thing I've noticed, they mentioned on the packagings that their serums are not recommended for pregnant women. Now let's start with their vitamin C serum first. I couldn't apply this more than once on my skin, and I will tell you why. Look at the pale yellow color of this serum, and call me cynical, I prefer my vitamin C serums to be like water-like clear, and I do not want them to be brown or yellow because I fear of oxidization. And this serum has 10% vitamin C derivative, which is very much stable, but as soon as I opened the bottle I saw this yellow tint which made me uncomfortable. So I asked the brand and they said originally this serum looks clear, but with time it may caramelize, which can give this yellow tint and some smell to it. I couldn't help but wondering why it is not happening with their other serums, and I checked the ingredients list. It looked nice, but changing the color of a vitamin C serum makes me uncomfortable. I applied this serum once though, it made my skin sting a bit. I'm not gonna continue using this on my skin. I'm gonna stick to my Formula RX vitamin C serum, which doesn't change color like this. So next I have their vitamin B serum. It has 5% like niacinamide, and I really like this one. The texture is very good. It looks kind of thick though, but it is not. It is very watery. My skin absorbs it well. And what I like about this serum, it doesn't only have 5% niacinamide, but it has other good ingredients to back the formula up. Like, it is a very good antioxidant and skin barrier repairing serum. You can see it has panthenol 0.5%. Then it has few probiotics that can be very good for our skin's microbiome. This 1% spot complex is also present in their vitamin C serum. You will see a few ingredients are written together, so I made this for a like clear understanding of the formula. And like I said, I truly like this one. This is my second bottle. First one they sent me, second one I purchased. I use this every day after using a toner or an essence. I'm using this on after using a toner. I have noticed when my skin is like super damp, this serum works, or any serums work better on my skin. So yeah, it makes my skin bright, and it also works on spots. So very good stuff. So next I have their vitamin A serum with 0.1% retinol and 1.5% beta carotene, which can work as precursor of vitamin A. Just look at the texture. Again, it might look or appear to be heavy, but it is not. It is very watery, absorbs into my skin really well, and it can be a very good vitamin A serum for the beginners. I have been using this twice or thrice in the evening, and I didn't see any purging. It also has oils like avocado, marula, then grapeseed, jojoba, squalane, but it doesn't feel oily at all. But if your skin cannot take oil so well, then you might not like this serum. But again, this is not oily. So how I apply this serum? See, I'm wearing a gel moisturizer, and after using this gel moisturizer I'm gonna apply this vitamin A serum, because I am kind of cautious with vitamin A because this is known to cause purging. And then I'm gonna use a rich moisturizer. So this method is known as sandwich method, where you sandwich the active between two moisturizers, and this way this serum has been working really well for me. And with vitamin A serum, see, it takes like months and years to see some results when it comes to anti-aging. So it is gonna like take me some time to give you any conclusion on this, but my initial response would be I really like the texture. It is very hydrating. I have noticed my skin feels healthier since I started applying this serum, and overall I really like this formula. And I think if you're starting with a vitamin A serum, you can like choose this one if you want to, because this has very gentle formula and can work well, I think so. So yeah, this is the thing, and I hope you found this review to be helpful. And about this serums, there's vitamin C serum I didn't like because of the color. I'm cynical, but if you're okay with it, then that's cool too. So then I have the niacinamide serum, which is their vitamin B serum. I really like it, and I'm gonna repurchase it again, I think. And I love the texture too. So then I have their vitamin A serum, which is also very good and very gentle and very good for the beginners. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and see you very soon then. Take care. Bye bye.